Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glenceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Yeah, New Year 2021. Isn't that something? All right, let's get into packaging and labeling our Feel Better shower steamers. But before we do that, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you, and you know that too. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. We appreciate you as well, and welcome to the family. Come on, let's get into this video. Okay, so what I have here, we're gonna put them in bags. I have my tags, I have my back label, and I have my front label. And I also have ribbon. So simple, all we're gonna do is sealed already, shrink wrap. We're gonna place our shower steamer. I like to just place it in the corner. You place it wherever you like. Of course the bag is bigger, so I just fold the bag over, twist it, and then you know we're gonna get our label together. Placing our label, I have my label here, my tag. So now I just take my label. This is the front. I place it down wherever I choose to place it onto my label. And then I'll take the back and place it on the back. Simple as that. There's nothing to it but to do it. If you need to cut, always have a scissor where you can cut some of the excess off if it's unneeded, all right? How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is fine. Happy New Year again. And then I'm going to read the label to you so you know what's on the label. We have our hole puncher here. I have my hole puncher. Going to punch a hole. That's it. Get your ribbon through it. Whichever ribbon you like, to me it doesn't matter. As long as it get onto my packaging. All right, so I have my shower steamer. My ribbon came out of my tag. There you go. All right. Place it down on the back side. I'm going to tie my ribbon in the back. Bring it to the front. And tie a bow in the front. Simple as that. Whichever way you can get it to get on there, that's how you do it. Doesn't matter. You know I don't like all that top. Take some of that excess off. And here we go. So you have your label. You have your shower steamer. So it says Feel Better Shower Steamer. Handmade natural aromatherapy, menthol crystal, 3.5 ounces. Ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel or water, essential oil or fragrant oil. Caution, shower use only. Okay? That means you cannot use this as a bath bomb. It has too much essential oil to be used as a bath bomb, all right? So we repeat that process again. We have our label here. Find the corners. You know, sometimes you get it easy, sometimes you don't. We got it. I found my corner. Did you go out to a New Year's Eve party last night? I was at home. There we go. See, sometimes it takes a little time, but you get it. Sometimes if I have excess, I just push it over, bring it to the back, put my back label on. Let's get our hole. Good to go. We have our string, ribbon, twine, whatever you like. Our shower steamer, ready to go. I like to fold my bag down, twist it, There we go. Get your tag. I like to place it on the table because it helps me give it some support so I can tie it. There you go. Sometimes you need more than 2 hands to do things. Shower steamers will be listed in my Etsy shop as of tomorrow, I gather. As soon as I can finish doing them, okay? And I think we have 2 more to do for this series of shower steamers. Let's do it one more time, and then I'm gonna try to put some music on. All right, so we have your label. We have our label. Get those corners. There we go. All right, I place my label down. Place the label down. Have my back label. Peel the paper away from my back label. You have any plans today? Today is Friday, getting ready to come to the weekend, right? Chill out Friday. All right. Put our hold so we can get our ribbon through it. Take a bag. Place your shower steamer in your bag. Fold it over if it's a bigger bag like mine. If it's perfect size bag, you know you don't have to worry about this step. All right, I have my tag. I'm holding my bag down with the shower steamer, just holding it down so I can tie it down. And this is it. Taking my bow and double tying it again, just for security. Take some of that top off, and here we go. All right, absolutely nice, right? All righty, now I'm going to be quiet and play some music. All right, so here we go. Our shower steamers are done. Well, feel better anyway. We have to work on Mother Earth and sunny days, okay? So we have our shower steamers, which are great. First batch is done, which are called Feel Better, and they're made with menthol crystals to help you breathe and feel better. Happy New Year again. I love you. Mwah. And back to the regular schedule, which is every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Glennceria Loving Hands uploads her videos. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And I see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Feel better. Shower steamers. Shower steamers. Enjoy your day. Love you guys. Bye for now. See you in my next video.